let her share it, for God's sake. You know, she does briefly in the movie. You know,
She does.
She kind of lily pads from one to the other. You know?
She does do that, but doesn't that get tiring?
It does. Very tiring. Physically tiring. We have a lot of energy, us young fellas.
Well, I mean, I'm surprised though, being a mundane in the film, that you have as much energy as the Shadowhunters.
I think it's more energy derived from fear. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of energy can be derived from cowering at the back of the group, while other. God Almighty, they're so excited about.
So listen, if you could pick another character, if you could be a Downworlder, a Shadowhunter, or a Mundane, which you were, what would you pick?
I think, to be honest, I would have to be a Shadowhunter because even though I don't have a tattoo, I think those rune tattoos are pretty badass and would love to administer them myself.
Ooh, you're one of those.
Stella,
Wouldn't that be really painful?
It would be, but that's part of the pleasure, you know, pain/pleasure. There's a fine line between the two.
Alright, we've got some Yahoo questions for you from some of our users. So this one's from Lucy.
Is this being amplified?
This is going live right now, and it is being amplified.
God. People of the world.
So Robert, Lucy wants to know.
Revolt! Go out
Lucy,
to the streets. Okay,
Lucy wants to know, was it difficult to perfect your American accent?
It was at first, but I had lots and lots and lots of training and listened to lots of CDs and then stayed very much in an American accent for the entire time that I was in this lovely city, so as not to confuse myself going back and forth between the two.
Well, let's hear your American accent.
What would you like me to say? What would you like me to say, cowboy?
Hello, Toronto.
Hey, Toronto, how are we?
Nicely done.
Mortal Instruments, yeah.
So what was your favorite part about filming Mortal Instruments?
You know, it really kind of appealed to my inner child because every time we came into set, there was some kind of new, gigantic, amazing-looking thing for us to feast our eyes on, you know, every day. Because there had been months and months of work put into this film before we got there. You know, every day was a new adventure, so it was kind of just coming in wondering what on earth we were going to be doing that day. That was a nice feeling.
That is an exciting feeling.
And working with these dreamboats. Look at these.
I know. A gorgeous cast.
Look at them. They're all so bloody
gorgeous. And we're
gorgeous.
all so excited to meet the rest of them. And we're going to let you move on and chat with all your fans.
This is just bizarre. Being put up on a podium and screamed at. It's
As
like
if you're not used to that.
It's like an amazing ego boost. Now I know why stand-up comedians do it, you know.
All right, Robert, it was great meeting you. The fans want to meet you more, so we're going to let you go.
And I want to meet them.
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to the film. Enjoy your night, okay?
Pleasure. Thanks very much.
Thank you.